Hello. Here's something interesting. Crypto is volatile, but giving up is the only true defeat. Crypto is volatile. There are days when it doesn't go well. It simply doesn't go well. And that is the first truth you must accept if you enter this world with the idea that everything will constantly grow, that every month will be green, and that the market will reward your every move. It won't. The market doesn't care about your plans, emotions, accounts, or expectations. It exists to test your discipline, patience, and understanding of time. Volatility is not a system error. It is the system itself. The crypto market is not designed to be comfortable, but to be selective, to separate those from the crowd who can withstand the pressure from those who seek quick solutions. When prices fall for days, weeks, sometimes even months, most people don't lose money because of the market, but because of themselves, because of panic, impatience, and the need to stop the pain immediately, at any cost. There are days when you look at the chart and wonder if any of this makes sense, when news doesn't help, when analysis provides no answers, when everything you thought you knew seems like an illusion. Those days are inevitable, but it is precisely in... Thanks for watching. Share with friends.